And this winter certainly has been bitterly cold at times, but we are starting to see some light at the end of the tunnel now that we are into the month of March. You look at our average temperatures to start off the month in Bowling Green, mid-50s here, but by the end of the month, we're into the mid-60s. Very, very pleasant. Same with our morning lows, mid-30s to lower 40s by the time we wrap up the month. We typically get about 1.5 inches of snow in the month of March. We'll see how that plays out because the Climate Prediction Center is out with their March outlook, and right now they are saying that there is pretty good confidence across the tri-state here of temperatures throughout the month ending up above average. Also, precipitation could also be above average. As you see here, the confidence here, the darker the shading, the higher the confidence in that precipitation being above average. So we could be quite wet, maybe a little bit white at times as well. So just keep that in mind. Now, we'll be nice and quiet today, but it will be a cold day. Temperatures stuck in the 30s across the tri-state for a good part of our day. Maybe 1 or 2 spots creep into the 40s, especially west of Kentucky Lake this afternoon. And you see here by dinner time, lower 40s overall for the most part, but it is shaping up to be another below average day. Now, we'll have a cold start tomorrow, but by tomorrow, notice the winds have turned around out of the south and the east. That will start to warm us up. And by the lunch hour on Monday, we're already warmer than we'll be today, with many spots back into the lower 50s. So we should see lower 40s today for a couple of hours. As I said, the best chance to see those mid 40s will be closer toward the Tennessee line. You get a little bit colder as you work your way toward the Ohio River. Normal low tonight is 35, so we will fall short of that in some places by 10 degrees or so with the clear skies and the light winds. That's perfect for what we call radiational cooling. We will warm up nicely on Monday, back a degree or 2 above average, and then a pretty potent system moves in here late in the day on Tuesday, bringing with it very gusty winds, heavy rain, and maybe a couple of thunderstorms. 1 or 2 of those might be on the severe side. Once the system passes by, temperatures will fall throughout the day on Wednesday. It will also be very, very windy, and then we stay chilly on Thursday before things start to warm back up, thankfully, as we get toward Friday and next weekend.